Hey guys, alright, so this video is going to be Hiccup Burps, like the fourth one, so enjoy. Wait, it's not Hiccup Burp, sorry. That's one of the mixed ones, I might just do that. Okay. It's so hard to keep up after that. Oh, just saying, I did get like 2 or 3 requests. Gonna try to do them soon. So, just keep watching and make sure you show your friends these videos and subscribe, because I want 100 subscribers soon. And I definitely want more video views. Doesn't everybody? Alright. So. Oh yeah, I should request. I just remembered it. They want me to do bursts with my mouth closed. So I'll make another video after this. I do it like a lot, like open mouth and I do closed mouth. Closed mouth might be a little bit quieter, so you might need string volume. Alright, one more burp. Oh, and if you guys can, just comment below or inbox me why you like Hiccup Burp so much. To me, I don't know, Hiccup Burps just seem so weird. I feel like I don't do them that great. But if you could just tell me, I guess. Just to know, I'm bored. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll post another video in a minute. Thanks. Bye.